Now the main event, writing a memo. We open new memo. We give it a subject. We choose the memo type. Because this needs management sign-off, we mark it an approval request, the type we just linked to a workflow. And a priority, this one is high. Now the body. The composer works just like a word processor, headings, bold, lists, tables, even images. We type our note. Next, who receives it? We add a recipient rule and send it to everyone in the company. Finally, we require each person to acknowledge that they have read it, so we have a record. Everything is set. We save and submit it for approval. Submitted. Because it is an approval request, it has gone to management for sign-off, it is not circulated yet.